Hi boys and girls, please write your name at the top of your paper. We are working with vowel teams EA and OW. The first word I want you to write is throw. O. Please write throw. O. OW says O as in snow. Now pick a crayon of any color and please write throw again. O. Throw. Now a marker. Throw. O. Throw. Way to go. Our next word is head. H-E-D. Head. With pencil. H-E-D. Head. Vowel team EA says as in bread. With crayon, we're going to write head again. D. Head. Now with marker, head. D. Head. Our next word is frown. F-R-O-W-N. Frown. F-R-O-W-N. Frown. O-W says ow, as in owl. With crayon, we're going to write frown again. F-R-O-W-N. Frown. Now a marker. F-R-O-W-N. Frown. Our next word is treat. T-R-E-A-T. Treat. T-R-E-A-T. Treat. Now with crayon. T-R-E-A-T. Treat. T-R-E-A-T. Treat. Our next word is show. Sh-O. Show. S-H says sh. O-W says O, as in snow. With crayon, show. Sh-O. Show. Now marker. Sh-O. Show. Our next word is bread. B-R-E-D. Bread. B-R-E-D. Bread. E-A says eh. Now with crayon. B-R-E-D. Bread. Marker. B-R-E-D. Bread. Our next word is crown. K-R-O-W-N. Crown. With pencil. K-R-O-W-N. Crown. Marker, crayon. K-R-O-W-N. Crown. And marker. K-R-O-W-N. Crown. Way to go. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to write a super sentence for each picture. You can see here we have a picture of a goat. You can use my sentence or think of your own. My sentence is, I saw a baby goat. Capital at the beginning of our sentence. I saw, Vowel team, I saw a baby, goat, G-O-T, Vowel team. Don't forget that period at the end. Our next picture is a picture of a street. You can use my sentence or your own. The car went on the street. The car, K-R, like a pirate, K-R, went, W-E-N-T, on the street. Eat. Street. Vowel team. Please underline your vowel team. Our next picture is a picture of a coat. You may use my sentence or your own. She has a red coat. She has a red coat. C-O-T, coat. O-A vowel team. O. Our next sentence is a picture of a bow. The sentence is, I have a big bow. Capital at the beginning of our sentence. I have a big bow. B-O. Vowel team O-W, O as in snow. All right, my friends, you are on your own for numbers 5 and 6. We have a picture of a toad, and that is an O-A vowel team, and a picture of a boat, and that is also O-A vowel team. Good luck. You are going to do great.